Yes, mwaramutse neza. Njyewe uri kubavugisha ni Richard, nkaba nkora kuri kuri ziriya serivisi zitangwa kuri Kigali Crypto Update, KCUS. So rero reka tugaruke ku makuru ya Pi Day. So turebe se ni iki kijya mbere, ni iki tubonyemo kitari gisanzwe. Hari akantu nshaka kuturebera hamwe reka rero no kwizimba mu magambo, dutangire turebe this video, turebe Dr. Nicolas na iriya Shengdiao, turebe icyo bavuzeho. First of all, mbere yuko njya kure, urabona yuko hano twarangije kubona ko what we call mining rate was absolutely reduced at big level. So rero ibi bintu ni ukubyitondera. Murabona ko inuza yagabanyutse cyane, mining rate yagabanyutse, which means Pi are going to be scarce. The scarcity of Pi is ongoing project in pioneers. If you are not serious within this project, you're gonna miss out these assets. Nicyo ndi kuvuga rero, niba utabaye seriye muri ibi bintu, izi assets ziragucika, utwo wamayininze utubure. Nicyo bari kuvuga aha ngaha kuri centralized, nk'uko tugiye kubibona, ari nacyo kintu nshaka ko tugarukaho. Ikintu cya mbere kinteye ubwoba ni mining rate yagabanyutse gutya. Icya kabiri ni centralized exchange. Bavuzemo ngo new centralized exchange. Pi nicyo kintu giye guha abapioneer and new more engagement utility within ecosystem. Ni ukuvuga ngo n'ubundi buryo bwinshi abapioneer bashobora gukoresha muri ecosystem, baba bashobora nyine kwingaginga serivisi mu kwishyurana Pi. Rero ngiye guplayinga video, so ndaza kugira aho mbona I gonna start where the issue is, so to make sure that everything is clear and understandable. So please guys, let's try to try our best for hitting another new era with this Pi project.
Happy Pi Day 2026 pioneers!
Today marks the 7th official anniversary of Pi Network, a milestone that reflects years of innovation and community building across the whole ecosystem.
Today, Pi is announcing multiple updates that facilitate more utility creation and provide more ways for pioneers to use and engage with.
Ahangaha Dr. Nicolas aravuze ngo uyu munsi Pi yamaze kugaragaza uburyo bwinshi bw'uko Pi ishobora kuzakoreshwa. Yego, bwinshi, uburyo bwiza bwinshi bw'uko Pi ishobora kuzakoreshwa. Ahangaha umuntu aba ari kunyuzamo akavuga n'akanyarwanda, ariko the people who are following this message by using just who are understand an English, just this is a total understandable.
With the ecosystem. Let's get right into the details.
The Pi Day releases introduce new ecosystem capabilities and expand how
ni ukuvuga ngo Pi ishyize hanze ubundi bushobozi bwo gutuma yagura imikorere yayo n'imyubakire yayo, n'uburyo rero hagiye kubaho gukoresha Pi nyine.
Pioneers can build, participate and engage with Pi. Highlights include the introduction of the token launchpad on testnet, ongoing node and protocol upgrade.
Pi rero ngo yaranje gushyira hanze token, nyine yaranchize token kuri testnet, ndetse ishyira hanze ibijyanye na ya upgrading amanode, nk'uko twari tumaze iminsi tubivuga. Abakurikira bino bintu abenshi ngire mu mwagendaga mubibona ko tuvuga ati protocol upgraded from version something gutyo nyine 19 version runaka protocol nyine. Ubwo utumva protocol no kumva ama version wabyumva, ariko natwe kubisobanura biratugora, kandi beta icyo umuntu yakubwira ni uko uba ugomba kugira iki, ibintu niba utabyumva nta gushyuha mu mutwe, kurikiza inama abantu baba bakugiriye, umenye ngo ese how can I handle this issue when if I don't understand this. So icyo usabwa ni ukuvuga ngo ibintu niba utabyumva, just try to trust your admins. Yeah.
Grades. Second, migrations of pioneer transferable balances that
Ikindi kintu rero hagiye kubaho ngo second migration kugira ngo habeho kubalansa
will be gradually rolled out. KYC validator rewards, mainnet apps in PyApp Studio, a new centralized
noneho rero KYC validators zatanzwe, ngira ngo mwagiye mubibona ko tubipostinga. Mainnet app studio ikaba yarangije kwicara kuri mainnet. Akandi kantu ka nyaka agiye kuvuga ngo new centralization exchange listing. Pi igiye kwikorera new nyine sex yayo, icyo bita centralized exchange, nk'uko wumva Binance, nk'uko wumva OKX, nk'uko wumva Bybit, nk'uko wumva Coinbase, nk'uko wumva Kraken, nk'uko, which means everything that we need within this world, it's gonna be you will just browsing within Pi browser. Ya ndumva iki kintu muri kucyumva, ni ukuvuga ngo dushobora kuba tugiye bagiye, I mean ntago ari dushobora, this is an official announcement. Tugiye guhabwa new centralized exchange listing muri, nta handi twayisanga, murabizi ko isi yose ya Pi yubakiwe muri Pi browser. So when you are opening Pi browser, you find there are many features like Pi wallet, Pi KYC, Pi studio, Pi domain, some which is big. So nahangaha rero tugiye kubona twabonamo section of Pi exchange yayo, tukajya rero twexchanginga tutiri ibintu byose tukabikora tutavuye hehe muri Pi.
exchange listing and a Pi Day utility challenge.
Rero haraza no kuba akantu ka challenge ka Pi utility, nyine uburyo Pi izakoreshwa mu mihahire wigeze mu buzima busanzwe. Yes.
Full details on each release, read the Pi Day 2026
So rero ahangaha ndabona
blog at mindpi.com/blog/Pi Day 2026.
Pi Day wayisanga kuri urubuga rwabo bashyizeho hariya. So rero ndumva twabashimira, murakoze cyane, abantu mukomeze just mu participating. Murabona please, murabona ko ibintu byahinduye isura. Ngiye ikintu kinteye ubwoba ni iriya exchange ndetse n'iyi mining rate yagabanyutse pe, yagabanyutse. So rero mureke wenda twongere turebe kuri iyi feature ya Pi Day. Murabona ko bari kwirefera kuri ya Bitcoin pizza day. Murabona ko bashyizeho n'agapiza hano hejuru. Abantu bazi amateka ya pizza day muzi ko hari umugabo nyine wigeze kugurisha Bitcoin ze, akazigurisha Bitcoin maybe it's around some above of 5,000. So unyarukiye n'ahangaha muri chat GPT ushobora no kwita uyibaza ati amateka ya pizza day, how is it, how come, ukayibaza bimeze bite. Katurebeho gatoya, nubwo njye ntashaka gukora ibintu birebire, ariko mbashaka gukora update iri clear even kandi ifite nyine ubusobanuro bwa nyabwo. Abantu benshi mwabonye ko bajyaga babwira ngo Pi ngo ziri kuri OKX ngo ni pirate, ariko njyewe nagerageje kubereka ngo Pi days are real. Nta handi nagaragaje neza nuko Pi, I mean niganiriye na OKX support hariya kuri OKX support services, ntago bapfa kuguha ibintu bya fake oya. Rero katurebe ngo pizza day how come, reka ndebe pizza day how come, turebe se bimeze biti. Bitcoin Pizza Day ibaho buri mwaka ku itariki 22 z'ukwa gatanu, yamenyekanye bitewe n'ikorwa ryabaye muri 2010 ryahinduye amateka ya crypto. Byatangiye bite? Ku itariki 22 rero z'ukwa gatanu 2010, umunyaporogaramu witwa that is white names are not confusing me, so let's continue with this. It's like that yakoreshejwe Bitcoin nyine, urumva n'uyu muntu witwa gutya yakoresheje Bitcoin igura pizza ebyiri, urumva yishyuye Bitcoin 10,000 kuri pizza ebyiri. Can you imagine? Papa John's, urumva someone who are paid those pizza 10k BTC, this man called John amuha just pizza ebyiri. Iri ni ryo gurisha rya mbere ry'ikintu gifatika ryakoresheje Bitcoin. Kuki ari ikintu gikomeye? So ntago ari iki twakibandaho, urabyumva, tekerezaho Bitcoin igeze ubu ngubu bigeze kuri miliyoni zirenga 120 z'amanyarwanda, kandi turi mu gihe cy'uko yamanutse na cyane. Urumva rero ni ibintu biba biteye agahinda. So rero you can't just look down this post. This is a not post, it is a real. Ntago aka kantu baba bashyizemo hano ari akantu ko kuvuga ngo ninuza. Oya, urabona rero Pi Day 2026 scavenging hunt, complete each step, celebrate Pi Day and unlock your Pi Day badge for chat. Ahangaha rero ubwo mwese muraza kugenda mucompletinga this is a challenge, claim your Pi Day badge. Ubwo rero buri wese araza kugenda nyine agira iki, visit launchpad on testnet to experience the first version of ecosystem token in practice. See, ni ukuvuga ngo this step 1, step 2 up to steps this last step you gonna be just this your locked Pi Day badge, it's gonna be unlocked. Ni ukuvuga ngo nusoza zino nuza zose, this one it's gonna be unlocked, iraza gufunguka ubone Pi nuza badge yawe. So urabona rero it counting with maybe this is a second, so let me show you. You see, this is a second that's counting. Ni ukuvuga ngo aya ni amasegonda ari gucountinga. This is just not counting, it is just counting down. So iyo ni iminota. I hope so this is a days. So urabona ko haracyari n'igihe cyo kugira inuza, ni almost ibi wanabikora uyu munsi cyangwa se ugategereza abakuyobora bakanakuyobora, ariko inkuru nari mfite ni iyo ngiyo. Kansubire mu isoko, ngende mu isoko hano, nabonye nuza yari yamvugiyemo, iriya aramu yari yavugiyemo, turebe ese ngo ni iki, muranyihanganiraho. So rero ni ibyo ngibyo, ntago biba byoroshye, ni ukuvangavanga kugira ngo umuntu arebe nyine ko hari icyo nyine yajya abonaho. Nice, this is where you want. So ubwo rero ushaka kudukurikirana wajya kuri, murabona yuko n'ubundi hano kuri groupe kuri okay, let me use this one, WhatsApp business. Ushobora kudukurikira, ni byiza kudukurikira kuri X yacu kuko dutangiraho ikiganiro kiri live, umuntu akabasha kuvugana n'abandi, akabaza ibibazo ashaka, nkuko mujya mu bintu biganiro byaberaga kuri Zoom, kuri Discord, ariko X buriya itanga ubwisanzure, ndetse n'ibintu dupostingaho ntago ari kimwe nko kuri WhatsApp bita bivaho bikagenda, but you can join our channel ya WhatsApp channel. Urabona yuko ushobora kuza hano ukatujoininga, ubishaka watwandikira kuri 0786 cyangwa se 0788 40 so you have to start just with just country code. Remember to use country code. Country code, it is just +250. Just that is the code of Rwanda. If you want to join us on this platform where we give you daily updates concerning with the crypto update, especially future trading, so you can just text on that number +250 078 65 63 865 or +250 078 21 40 52. 50 and 2, not 52, just 502. So rero ndumva, I hope this message is clear. So you can just follow us on here on our X account. This is not marketing, it is just like a bonus I give you today, cause one day you will just find nothing, cause here I just professionally concentrating with crypto update, especially futures trading. This futures trading, it is not for people who are weak, it is for people who are awake. So you have to be serious, because if you are not awake, you're gonna lose all money that you made within maybe from your youngest age. This is a serious business. Yeah. So rero, as you see, this is my followers rounding is 39, but when you follows me, I follow back like this. That is how I do. Just in my heart, I have the principle that could love one another. If you follows me like this, I follows you back. So I think you see the name of our channel everywhere, wherever you want to search. You can search Kigali Crypto Update hashtag KCUS. That is our original name. It's our brand. So you can search on WhatsApp channel. You can search on YouTube channel like this. Let me show you on WhatsApp. I mean on YouTube. So you can if you can just browse on Google Chrome. Yeah, if you want, you can.
Ronaldo, look at this.
So I'm not just here for.
I show speed.
Yeah, me what I wanted is to show you a very clear routes of where you can find my services. So here on WhatsApp, you see the name, it is the same like what I have shown you on WhatsApp channel, on WhatsApp groups, on account, even on Telegram. You can just search Kigali Crypto Update hashtag KISUS. So this is not a marketing, it is just I have made this and always make this for directing you directly to my services without just mismatching within somewhere which are not necessary. So if you want, you can come here to search here and search Kigali, yes, Kigali. You can add just even a flag. So this name, it implies, it just represent our country. For by the way, Kigali Crypto Update, yeah. Okay, let us stop from here and just searching. You see, this is what I have told you, this one, and you have to press to my channel, and better you have to subscribe and just smash a notification to be notified all the time. If you are not just smashing on a notification icon, you will not just able to get our update on time. Can you imagine this one? Maybe you don't understand, but when I upload a video and you already made you smashed just that icon of getting a notification to be notified on time, within 1 second after our content uploaded or after our update uploaded, you're gonna be notified to get our update on time. So I can say that let me just say, be blessed to bless, and may God bless you whatever you are doing. So keep hold your pie, keep holding, and keep try to buy more. Yeah, just for preparing your future. It's a new era, as it is a new era. So you have just to prepare the new era from now. So thank you. Bye.